So here's how to turn off location on Facebook. It's quite simple and easy thing to do. First of all, let me just open up the Facebook application, and then from here you need to go to the three dots on the right upper side. Alright, then from here you need to tap on this gear icon, which is the settings option. So tap on that, and now scroll it down to the bottom, and there you go, there is the device permission option which you need to go to, and then from here you will see the location option. Alright, so now you need to tap on the see info, and then just simply tap on the update settings. Alright, then this will open up this dialog box, and you need to tap on open device settings. This will brings up to you the device settings, and then from here you need to select the app permissions. So tap on that, and then simply go to the bottom, and here is the location. So find out the location and tap on the location. If you have the location permission enabled, then you probably see the option is selected as allow only when the using the app, but you need to select that don't allow. Alright, and there you have it. So that's how you can turn off location on Facebook. So hope this video might help you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one.